This program is honestly awesome just because of the opportunities we get every day. Everything from basic oil changes and brakes to full-blown engine tear-downs and put-back-togethers. I've seen my fair share, so it's always very special.
We get to do stuff over here. We get to work on stuff. We get to touch tools, and we love it. We're trying to strive and work for everything.
There is the small gas engines where they learn the fundamentals of gasoline engines. They start with that. Then they can break off into auto body and paint, or into automotive, which would be automotive 1, and then go into automotive 2 for senior year.
I learned so much more than just working on cars.
Here and there, you'll learn little life lessons from the teacher, how to be patient, how to be dedicated, determined, disciplined.
I get teachers all the time that they'll recognize me in the parking lot and they'll come straight to me for questions and answers. I had a situation a couple weeks ago where a teacher's car battery died. She saw me in the parking lot, she came running over to me because she needed help. And I was able to help her out, so I think that's what makes it great.
For years and years, a lot of schools were getting rid of the trades. And there's a big vacuum in the trades now to where General Motors, Ford, Chrysler, all of them are hurting for technicians, hurting for quality technicians. So there's a big vacuum, there's a big need, and that's an opportunity for these students. And man, really have a good life and be a successful career, because this is a great career. They could really do well.
After high school, I'm actually going into a trade school. I've been accepted already into Wyotech, based out of Laramie, Wyoming.
I got accepted into Wyotech, so I'm gonna go up to Wyotech and do diesel tech.
I am planning on going up to Wyoming for a tech trade school called Wyotech.
I love this program. Automotive is just where my life is, and to be able to say that I come from an automotive program to any person is cool to say.